Hey, what is up guys, it is SilverSun here, and today I'm going to be unboxing Google Wi-Fi. So, here it is. Here's the box, side, not much of anything, back, alright, and then back to the front. But yeah, obviously I got this because I need some better Wi-Fi, because what do you call it? My Wi-Fi isn't that good right now. I don't know if you guys could tell, like with the gameplay videos I post and stuff like that, online and stuff. Like whenever I play Xenoverse or anything like that, especially when I play like GTA and stuff like that, I remember I would lag quite a bit, playing it. But hopefully with this whole mesh system, that should fix it, because the router is quite far from my room right here. So I'm hoping that this will strengthen that signal, because the Wi-Fi I have in general isn't bad. It's just very weak on my end, on my side of the house here. But let's see now. Oh, a little bit. Is there anything on the no? Alright, there we go. Now it's just go. And out comes the, I don't know what you'd call it. Oh, that's not a really good angle actually. There you go. I don't know if you guys can see that very well. Let me just pull them out actually. There we have one. We have two. And we have three. Let me go on back here actually, so I think you guys can see a lot better. That's kind of one of the things I don't like about the Pixel 2 cameras, that whenever I do a video, it seems to, like, this is zoomed out as much as it can go, but it still looks very zoomed in, at least in my opinion. But yeah, these are pretty much the little mesh Wi-Fi routers you get. You get the little things. There's a little reset button back there. A little light to help show you that it's on, but obviously it's not on right now. Let's just move that to the side. And let's see what else is inside of this box here. Alright. That to the side, and inside here we have a little instruction guide. That's how you set it up. Let me move that to the side. Here we also have alright, got a little in here. Okay, so these are obviously for the routers here. Okay, got a nice little USB-C connector there. This is where you plug it into the wall. And I'm assuming we get, yes, another one for the other one. Yes. There it is, there it is. To the side. And last but not least, we get the little connector here to hook it up to our modem. Oh, there it is. Yeah, this little connector. And then we also get another one here, so that's very nice as well. Not too much else in there, not anything else in there. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Not too much to it, really. Just a nice little mesh Wi-Fi routing system that Google created. I'm gonna set this up in a little bit. Hang on. Yeah, I'm gonna set this up in a little bit, and hopefully it should all go according to plan, and we should see some better signals going throughout the house here. Because I have a pretty big house. I know that you obviously can't tell because I'm in one of the rooms and stuff. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I don't know. I'm just trying to make this look kind of good. But yeah. Or actually, no, it's not even worth it. Alright, here we go. Here's the money shot, basically. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this unboxing, guys. Google Wi-Fi. If you guys happen to have this product, tell me what you guys think of it. Does it actually help your Wi-Fi go throughout your house a lot more easily? Are there no more dead spots or anything? And yeah, just give me some feedback down in the comment section below. And until the next one, guys, Silver Sun is out.